Dr. Hwa A, renowned as the father of bioinformatics, once posed a provocative question: why does one technology prevail over others? A question that beckons us to ponder why certain disciplines rise when they do and why we often overlook the circumstances that shape these trends. Dr. Lim's journey into bioinformatics was not a deliberate choice, but a serendipitous alignment of circumstances. He was situated at the perfect crossroads of opportunity, with access to the supercomputers of the von Neumann Center at Princeton University, just as the Genome Project was taking its first steps. His encounters with influential figures like Charles Cantor, James Watson, Sidney Brenner, and Charles DeLisi were not mere coincidences, but instrumental in shaping his career. The environment, the people, and the timing were all ripe. As Dr. Lim rightly put it, no genome project, no bioinformatics, no computing resources, no bioinformatics. Indeed, bioinformatics is a form of bio-IT, a discipline born out of a unique blend of biology and information technology. But Dr. Lim's insights go beyond his contributions to bioinformatics. He sheds light on the inherent biases of different technological processes. He notes that industrial processes like steam engines and chemical plants favor high pressures and temperatures, steering manufacturing towards large-scale centralized factories. This bias is not influenced by culture, background, or politics. It's a product of the process itself. In contrast, digital technologies like computers and the internet favor cheap, ubiquitous duplication. This bias towards proliferation is independent of nationality, economic momentum, or human desire. It is, as Dr. Lim puts it, baked into the nature of digital bits. He also highlights the unique malleability of IT compared to industrial processes. While you can mold bronze, iron, and steel into swords or fences, their malleability is different from that of IT. With computer chips, programming languages, and software, you can create a wide range of forms and uses. As Dr. Lim eloquently puts it, you could make a large or small hammer, a big sailboat, or a small one, but you could not make a hammer that sailed the ocean, or that also performed the function of a saw or a drill. In IT, however, you can metaphorically perform such varied information handling tasks, making it an important general-purpose technology. In conclusion, Dr. Hwa A. Lim's insights into technology and bioinformatics have significantly influenced modern science. His questioning of why one technology prevails over others, and his understanding of the biases inherent in different technological processes provide a unique perspective on the evolution of disciplines. His journey into bioinformatics, shaped by serendipity and environmental factors, serves as a reminder that circumstances often choose us, and in turn we shape the disciplines that define our future.